Yo, what up, what up? Welcome back to another market review of E-mini S&P 500 futures and NASDAQ, obviously. Let's see what was going on today, guys. Intraday AM session. You have all spotted this, I guess. This high and this high. Who cannot spot this high and this high, right? Easy a target for buy stops. So what are we looking for during the day? The AM session, we are only looking for buys, right? Especially when we're leaving equal highs behind. So let's go to the daily time frame first. Let's see the narrative, right? So let me go to another chart because I have all my analysis on the futures chart. So obviously there resides a buy side liquidity pool above these highs, right? Up here we were targeting these highs, obviously. Yeah, even ICT mentioned it, right? And we will remain bullish until these highs get cleared out. So today, or yesterday rather, we stopped just before those highs. Retail will assume it is resistance, right? So they will be looking for sells when the structure breaks lower. We know there are still buy stops residing above these highs, right? And we will target those. So we will never be bearish until that gets cleaned out, or there's a massive SMT forming above here, but that's not the case, right? So fair value gap up here, buy stops, easy draw on liquidity, right? So yeah, let's go intra session. So let's go to the AM session. Right. So let me check out. Yeah, previous daily highs up here, right? So that's the target at first. We had this red line. This big red line is the buy side liquidity pool on the daily time frame I talked about. So that's the target, right? So what were we looking for during the day? Let me get something real quick. 1 second. Obviously, these highs, everybody can see them. It is a good target to hit. Let me take a little screenshot. Alright, so we know it's not bullshit, right? We were looking for this in the Discord group, right? So let me zoom in a little bit. So I sent this in before, this POI over here, and you can see the exact same area, which is over here, right? So no hindsight, we were looking for this. I initially went in over here because we left equal highs, right? Then we had a fair value gap created and a break of structure. We had heavy SMT with NASDAQ. So we went in the fair value gap, stop loss below, targeting these highs, right? And the daily high, once we reached this high and cleaned this liquidity up here, went break even, get stopped out, break even, and then we have to look for another opportunity. So what happens after? We're leaving equal lows over here, right? So what happens after? We rate sell side liquidity, right? And what do you want to see after a sell side liquidity rate? You want to see a break of structure, and important, you want to see some displacement, right? So you have a fair value gap where you can take a trade from. So right now we took that sell side liquidity, right? Hitting a, I think it's a 15-minute fair value gap in the process. Yeah, so we tapped this fair value gap on the 15-minute, also a order block. I would say it's a mitigation block actually. So we hit that. Back to the 1 minute. You see displacement, and think about it, right? There's still equal highs here. Retail sees a break below these lows and see a structural shift lower. They will engage in sells, right? So there will be buy stops above here because people who are breakout traders will sell here, put their stop loss above those highs, and then we have even more liquidity to target, right? So displacement happened on the 1 minute rather. So this is the POI we're looking for. Break of structure, good displacement. Going back into premium of this range, right? This is the range it was currently trading in. back into premium, so it looks like it's gonna draw lower. If you use a Fibonacci, if you're a Fibonacci trader and you're looking for sells, obviously this is the area where you're gonna look for a sell. We know the narrative is bullish, right? We're going with higher time frame order flow, so we are targeting the daily buy stops, which is the draw on liquidity. Fair value gap gets hit. Good initial reaction, right? You literally see it tap into here. Let me remove this. You see it tap into here on the mean threshold of this fair value gap, so the 50% point. We bounce up, tap it one more time over here, and then you can clearly see it's holding, and then obviously the result is yeah, perfect, I would say. So partials above here, right? There's equal highs. I would fully close the position up here because tomorrow is FOMC, guys. Better not trade tomorrow, honestly. So hold your guns tomorrow. Let FOMC pass. There will be a lot of choppy price action probably. Yeah, don't get chopped up tomorrow. But yeah, just quickly touching on that SMT which happened. Let me just split up this one, and then let me get NASDAQ. This is a daily chart. I need a 1 minute chart. Right. So all right, look at these lows over here. Right. So this is SMT because we dropped lower on NQ. Right. NASDAQ went lower. We hold on, and then look how deep NASDAQ goes in comparison to ES, right? So NASDAQ was definitely reaching for discount prices. After that, I also sent in this fair value gap in the group, but this one did not get hit. So this one just fell short. ES delivered, and that's all we need to know. So as soon as you see ES hold on, right, you can engage on NASDAQ too. Just put your stop loss below the swing low or below the fair value gap at least, or this order block. Logical PD arrays, right? So that concludes this market review, guys. If you like the market review, hit that like button, subscribe, right? In the description there will be my free Telegram and everything. You can join there too, or my Instagram. Yeah, pretty good, guys. Have a great day, and don't get chopped up tomorrow, okay? So hold your guns. All right, we'll speak in the next video, guys. Peace.